So, quick update. Super annoyed right now. The wind is so bad in Vegas. I think 20 of my videos on YouTube probably talk about this and me ranting about it with Ricky. But it is insane. Like 60-mile-an-hour gusts. I pulled my dash, or the center console, not the dash, thank God. I pulled the center console out and put it on the ground for 2 seconds and it started blowing down the street. So, it's just frustrating. Okay, so quick update. I decided to just push through with the wind because I really want to get this done, and I have 2 giant race equip boxes in my foyer to my house taking up space. So a lot of interior plastics over here. These are the ones I washed because they were filthy. Previous owner was a scumbag, so the wind, as you can see, is, I mean, it probably doesn't seem that bad on camera, but it's pretty bad. Typical Vegas shit. So letting that dry, wiped it down so it doesn't get water spots. Interior is completely taken apart. I took out the factory sound deadening and just threw it away because it was all ratted out and super dusty. So I'm gonna vacuum this out really quick, wipe it out. I still need to pull this part off, which there's some clips in the back on the trunk side, and then you just like pull this and it pops off. And then I might actually see if one of my subs will fit in there because I would love to wire in a sub. So that'd be kind of cool, but we'll see. I don't know if I think that's for a 10. I think I have 12s, but I feel like it'll fit. I don't know. My 12s are super old. So we'll try that out once we get to that point, but right now is pulling out the rest of the plastic and cleaning. That's next step. So here we go. Everything seems to be drying good. Quick update. Haven't been able to record as much because the wind's been nuts, but rears are in. Got the sound deadening. I didn't use Dynamat. 1, because it's super heavy, and 2, it's expensive. And this isn't like a professional crazy audio card, just something to help with some sound deadening. I need to fix that, it's not sticking good over there. Maybe I'll just cut it, to be honest. But yeah, so that's all done, wiring's all in. I need to do the power wire, that's what I'm working on right now. I got some of it in, I just rinsed this out because it was disgusting in there. So I gotta put the battery tray back in, put the battery back in, but while that's all out and out of my way, I need to run the power wire through the car, and of course there's no cabin air filter in the car. So I gotta fix that. I got the hiccups. So I'm gonna get back to work, hopefully get this all buttoned up so I can get the car back together before it gets dark. Alright, what's up everyone? So that was a pain in the ass, but it's done. All back together. About to put the seats in, or at least one seat. Got my new Tomei knob in there. All black suede boot. Oh, my light just went off inside the car because I haven't been in the car for a minute. But yeah, so unboxing the Buddy Club super low down seat rails. Gonna give those a try, and the seats are inside, so I'm gonna grab those really quick. Ricky's here doing some shit on the S14. He does work on his car prior to contrary belief.
Contrary to popular belief?
Contrary to popular to contrary belief. I don't know. I'm retarded. Leave me alone. Demonetized.
Retarded?
Ricky's angry. Just key the whole fucking side of the car. So there's the seat. Gonna unbox that, mock it up to the rail, see how it fits in the car. Yeah. Alright. Camera battery died. The Race Quip XL seat plus the Buddy Club super low rail did not work out. It was way too high, the seat's hitting the ceiling. I had it at the second to lowest setting on the side brackets. Any lower than that you wouldn't be able to get to the bolts to be able to tighten them. The original spacing when I put the brackets on was like 18 inches, and the holes in the Z are about 16 1/4. So we're way off. I had to tighten it up, put it in the car, hits the ceiling. The seat was so high from the ground with these super low Buddy Club brackets that I wouldn't have been able to even fit in the car. So I took the seat out, I put it on cardboard, I sat in the seat just to make sure the seat was good. The seat's okay. It's not the best seat in the world, but what do you expect for like $550 bucks? But it's an FIA seat, so, you know, the equivalent was getting like a Recaro SR7, which are great seats, but it's not FAA approved because it's reclining. I do want to be able to track the car, and I actually prefer the seat just to be set. I've had recliners break on me. If you remember my past Z, I had a set of Corbos on there. That reclining mechanism sheared itself off one time when I was driving in my G35. The Z ones had the same problem. I ended up putting those back in a different car. But returning the Buddy Club, keeping the race quips, I sat in the passenger large seat, which is significantly smaller, and it like did this with my shoulders, like the shoulder bolsters. Like I want to be a little comfortable. We're going on road trips in these cars. Like we're gonna drive the 240 to Cali for shows, drive the Z to shows, go to events, racing, track days. We want to be able to do all that. So going like that, it doesn't work for me. I got broad shoulders. I'm 6'7". I'm trying to be comfortable. So seats are okay. Rails got to go. I'm just gonna go what I know. I'm gonna get planted super low brackets. They literally, the carpet comes through the holes in the bracket, so it's as low as it can possibly get. You gotta cut that stud off the floor in the driver's side. Passenger side also super low. So I'm just gonna get those. It is what it is. Returning the Buddy Clubs. Hopefully this guy on eBay doesn't screw me. This is the problem with buying things on eBay. I should have just bought it from one of the vendors that I work with, but it was cheap and it was super fast shipping. I wanted to try to get the seats in today. It didn't happen. The seats are in the car, but they're just loosey-goosey. So I'm gonna throw the planted brackets in, and I'm gonna get some sort of side rail. I don't know. I'm new to fixed backs. I've always had bottom mount, sliding, reclining race seats. Because it's always been like a show car thing. This is going to be more of a track car for me. This is uncharted waters. I don't know what I'm doing. So I don't know if I can just get fixed side mounts, because they're going to be like the seat's not straight. The seat's like pitched. The butt is tight. The thigh bolster is out, and that translates to the side mount. So I don't know if you need to put spacers in. I don't know anything. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm hoping that I can just find a set of planted brackets and then side mounts that are adjustable or whatever. I don't know what the situation's going to be. No sliders. I need the ceiling height for my head. I kind of test fit the seat without the brackets in. And if I lift the seat up with like 2 inches in the back, 3 inches in the front, pitch it a little bit, it clears the roof. And I'm hoping my wife is just yelling at me. Too many Trulies today. I got heartburn. The seat's pitched a little bit, so if I pitch it back, I might be able to fit. The steering wheel's got to be up super high. I don't know. This is my struggle. The stock seats are trash, so I'm either going to go with this or I'm going to end up selling everything and just getting a set of Corbos again, because I know those work. But I hate those seats. They're not good. They're okay, but not for what I want to do with the car. So, I think I said so like 90 times. It's been a long day. The wind's been blowing all day. I'm ranting. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Like I said, we've got one of the nicest 240 bills on the planet right now. K-swap, and no one's watching. So, here we go with the so. What am I saying so for so much today? I don't know. I'm out. I'm going to take a shower. Drink another Truly. Inch towards the camera.